If you're seeing Steam error 87 or Steam keeps failing to launch, log in, or connect properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few proven fixes you can try step by step. We're going to start with a deep repair using admin mode, then clear Steam's web cache, use a QR code workaround if login is the problem, power cycle your network the right way, and finally, I'll show you a reinstall method that keeps your game safe. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's do the deep repair. This is a one-time force repair that can fix broken Steam service files without permanently changing anything on your system. Start by closing Steam completely. Make sure it's not just minimized in the taskbar. Fully exit it, then press Windows key +R to open the run box. In the field, paste this exactly: C:\program files x86 /steam /bin /steamservice.exe/repair. After you run it, you may see a black terminal window appear briefly. Just wait until it disappears on its own. Once that's done, right-click your Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator just one time. This can help clear the error if it's being caused by a permissions issue or a broken service repair. If Steam error 87 is still there, the next thing to try is clearing the web and HTML cache. Steam uses an internal browser for parts of login, the store, updates, and community pages, and when that cache gets corrupted, it can trigger all kinds of strange errors. To do this, press Windows key +R again, type %localappdata% and hit enter. In the folder that opens, find and open the Steam folder. Inside, delete the HTML cache folder and the overlay folder. Don't worry, this will not delete your games, your saves, or your Steam account. It only removes temporary web files that can get stuck and cause login or interface problems. After deleting those folders, restart Steam and check whether the issue is gone. Now, if the problem is happening on the login screen and you're getting a message like login failed or parameter incorrect, there's a great workaround you can try with the QR code option. On the Steam login screen, choose Use QR code instead of manually typing your password. Then open the Steam mobile app on your phone, go to the Authorized Devices tab and scan the code. This often bypasses the normal password handshake, which is sometimes where the error happens in the first place. If your password login is failing because of a session or authentication issue, this method can get you back in much faster. If that still doesn't fix it, the next step is a full power cycle. This is one of the simplest fixes, but it works surprisingly often because it refreshes both your network hardware and your computer's network state. Unplug your router and your modem for a full minute. While they are unplugged, restart your PC as well. This clears the DNS cache on your computer and also resets the routing table on your hardware at the same time. Once the minute is up, plug the modem back in first, wait for it to fully reconnect, then plug the router back in and let everything stabilize. After that, open Steam again and test it. And finally, if Steam is still broken, you can reinstall the client without deleting your games. This is the nuclear option, but it's much safer than people think. Go to your Steam folder, usually located at C:\program files x86 /Steam. Now delete everything except the Steam apps folder, which contains your installed games and steam.exe. Do not remove Steam apps if you want to keep your library intact. After that, run steam.exe again. Steam will download fresh client files and rebuild itself, but your games will remain untouched. This is a great way to fix stubborn Steam client errors when normal repairs don't work. So to recap, try the Steam service repair first, clear the HTML cache and overlay folders, use QR code login if needed, power cycle your router and PC, and if necessary, reinstall Steam while keeping your Steam apps folder. One of these steps should usually clear Steam error 87 and get everything working again. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.